Hi and welcome. So in today's video, I will be sharing with you how I made these oven roasted wings in a coconut sauce. So let's get right into it. Hey guys and welcome. I hope you're having an amazing day. So we're going to get right into the seasonings I'm using, starting with this can of coconut milk. Then I have some garlic powder. I have some parsley flakes, oregano leaves. Then I'm going to roughly chop this carrot and add that to it. Also one of my favorites, complete seasoning. I have some adobo all-purpose, some low sodium or reduced sodium chicken broth, and I have some olive oil. And then in the back I have some turmeric, onion powder, and then for some color I add the paprika. I also love garlic, so I'm going to add some minced garlic, and then for more coloring I'm going to add this accent. Okay, so in this bowl I have my chicken wings that I washed with lemon juice and vinegar, and so now I'm just adding in all the seasonings that I mentioned earlier. Okay, so while our chicken is marinating, I'm just going to peel this carrot and then give it like a rough chop to add to our dish. Okay, so now that the chicken has been marinating, our carrots are all chopped up, we're now going to add our wet ingredients. So I'm adding the chicken broth. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. On this channel, I do not do measurements. I just stop seasoning when the gods say so. And now here, this is the coconut milk that I showed you earlier. I just put it in a glass jar because I know I'm going to have some remaining. And so, yeah, I don't do measurements on my channel. So I just give you the ingredients that I use, the seasonings that I use, and then you just make the dish your own. So now I'm going to just take a spoon and mix this up. I'm going to add my carrots. I have my oven preheated to 375 degrees. And so now this entire baking process, I usually bake these for about 45 minutes. And then about 30 minutes through, I remove the aluminum foil or your cover, And then you're just going to kind of, turn your chicken over, and then you're going to baste it. And so now here I'm just adding the remainder ingredients, get that mixed in, and then we're going to pop this in the oven and, let it do its thing. All right, guys, so after 30 minutes, this is what our dish is looking like. So I'm just in here with my spoon, mixing things up, flipping around the carrots and the chicken and just basting it more. And I'm going to pop this back in the oven and allow it to cook for the remaining 15 minutes. All right, family, so 45 minutes later, look at this delicious dish, y'all. See, the juices are still bubbling, and then the chicken has a nice little char on the skin. Your carrots, they're nice and caramelized. So let's get this plated and wrap up this video. But look at that, so good. Okay, so I decided to pair this with some collard greens and some chicken flavored rice. Okay, family, so here we are. Y'all, when I tell you this chicken was so flavorful, although I used a lot of ingredients, it was basically herbs and spices, and it had very little salt in there. But this meal, it was so delicious, and look how this chicken just peels right off the bone, nice and tender. But family, I hope you have enjoyed this video. I appreciate you stopping in to see what I was dishing up today. And please make sure you comment below, like, share, subscribe if you haven't. And I appreciate you guys, and I look forward to seeing y'all in the next video. Bye.